Today we shall listen to a class on professional ethics. Ethics, also known as moral philosophy, is a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concepts of right or wrong behavior. History of ethics: Mesopotamian epic of Gilgamesh, Homer's Iliad, Icelandic Eddas, and Sumerian farmer's almanac, the Egyptian instruction of Amenemop. These are all the various histories that you need to know. Types: meta-ethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. Meta-ethics is a branch of ethics that seeks to understand the nature of ethical properties, statements, attitudes, and judgments. According to Richard Garner and Bernard Rosen, what is the meaning of moral terms or judgments? What is the nature of moral judgments? How may moral judgments be supported or defended? Normative ethics investigates a set of questions that arise when considering how one ought to act morally speaking. Normative ethics can be divided into the sub-disciplines of moral theory and applied ethics. Three competing views: virtue ethics, deontology, teleology. Applied ethics is a philosophical examination from a moral standpoint of particular issues in private and public life that are matters of moral judgment. Bioethics, business ethics, professional ethics, machine ethics, relational ethics, military ethics, and public service ethics. Professional ethics is a profession is a vocation founded upon specialized high educational training, the purpose of which is to supply objective counsel and service to others for a direct and definite compensation. Professional ethics encompass the personal and corporate standards of behavior expected of professionals. The Center for Professional Ethics was established at Case Western Reserve University, Canada. Ethics: ethical, moral ethics. Components and qualities: honesty, transparency, accountability, confidentiality, objectivity, respectfulness, obedience to the law. Honesty: a no uttered from deepest conviction is better than yes merely uttered to please, or worse, to avoid trouble. Honesty refers to a facet of moral character and denotes positive, virtuous attributes such as integrity, truthfulness, and straightforwardness, along with the absence of lying, cheating, or theft. Honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself. Integrity. Integrity is the concept of consistency of actions, values, methods, measures, principles, expectations, and outcomes. Integrity can be regarded as the opposite of hypocrisy, that it regards internal consistency as a virtue. The word integrity is derived from the Latin adjective integer, which means wholeness. Integrity without knowledge is weak and useless, and knowledge without integrity is dangerous and dreadful.